700 exercise number 24 second half dictation speed start. And for this happy state of things we generally thank the government full stop. Little more than 100 years ago, it was by no means a natural thing for all children to go to school full stop. But the governments that have followed one another throughout the years have made it more and more possible for young people to go to school until we have reached the state today when we believe that not only should all children go to school and so learn to read and to write, but we believe further that all children should be given the opportunity to receive higher education if they show themselves able to take advantage of such training full stop. The government have been very wise and helpful in passing all the acts which have brought us to this happy state, but the fact is that it was really the supply of cheap paper in great amounts that made it possible for us all to learn full stop. Can we picture what school life would be like without our notebooks and our instruction books? Question mark. There would stand a teacher and facing him would sit 20, 30, or 40 little children longing, let us say, to read and to write, to learn about the history of their own country and of other countries, to learn about their own land and about other lands, full stop. But the teacher has no books because he has no paper, and the children have nothing on which they can write and then take away their work and learn it, full stop. Everything must be done from memory, full stop. The teacher has to remember what he has been told and the children in their turn have to remember what they have been told, full stop. Memory is often a poor help, full stop. Nearly everyone finds it easier to learn through reading words than through hearing them, full stop. If we wish, we can read the words in a book over and over again, but the words of the teacher, once said, are lost forever, full stop. We can, of course, ask him to say them over again, but the time taken to learn wholly in this way would be so great that the children would end up by knowing very little in most cases, full stop. Para. Learning became general when books became general, full stop. While books were in the property of the few, learning was also the property of the few, full stop. Now books may be had for the asking and learning, too, may be had for the asking, full stop. It is only our personal qualities that limit the field of our knowledge, full stop.